Hi guys, welcome to the fourth video of the Java tutorial series done by Code Junction, and I'm Hasal Fernando. Now if you watched my third tutorial, which was running the Hello World program, you now have a pretty good idea about printing something you want. In that tutorial we printed Hello World. Now today we are going to learn about getting an input from the user to the program. Now first we have to create a project. To get that input, we are going to use the scan object. This is that hello world project we did in the tutorial. So file, new project. We have to create a Java project. Next, then scan project. Finish. Create it in this window. We have the new project. Now we have created the project. We know now that we need to create our class in the src folder. New Java class. We'll name it as this scanner class. In upper camel case, class names. Now that we have created the class, we need a main method to run the program, and that should be in the class. So we'll write a main method public static void main string box. So this is some main method. Now our main method is also ready. Now we are going to use the scanner to get the user input. To use the scanner, we need to import the scanner. We are going to do that before the class. Import java.util.scanner semicolon. Now we need a variable to get what the user enters. We'll use a string variable. String user input equals, this is a variable we are naming here. When you are naming a variable, you need to use the lower camel case. That means in upper camel case, if we are using 3 words, first letter of each word should be capital. But in lower camel case, first letter of the first word is simple and all the other first letters of other words are capital. That is lower camel case. So we are starting user from a simple letter and input from a capital letter, because user is the first word and input is the second word, and we are typing it in lower camel case. So the U in user is simple and I in input is capital. Equals null. This is how you initialize a string variable. Now the user should know that the program is expecting something from the user. To do that, we are going to print a line asking the user to enter something that he wants to print, like system.out.println. Inside these braces, inside double quotations, we are going to print enter something that you want to print. And At this moment, the line enter something that you want to print is printed on the console, so the user knows that he has to enter something to print. Now we want to get the user's input to our variable user input. And to get this user input, we need to create a new scanner object. We are going to do it here. Scanner, and we have to give our scanner a name. I'm going to give the name as scanner1 equals new scanner, and inside this braces we have to put system.in because it's an input. Now we are going to get what the user types and enters in the console to this variable user input equal, so the user input is equal to scanner dot next, whatever the user inputs next. Now at this moment the user input variable is holding what the user has entered. Now we are going to print what the user has entered. It's so simple. We have done it in the previous tutorial. We have printed hello world. Now we are going to print something different, and that is the user input. So system.out.println, and inside these braces we are going to only put the variable name, not the double quotations, because we are printing that value of the variable user input. Now the program is finished. This program is capable of first printing the line enter something that you want to print, and it's capable of taking in the user input after that and printing whatever the user enters. Let's run it and see what happens. Now you can see that it has printed enter something that you want to print. Now I am going to say print code junction and enter. Now it has printed back code junction. So now you have the idea how to use this scanner to get a user input. So I hope you learned something new. If you did, like this video and please do subscribe our channel Code Junction to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Now you know the basics about Java programming and printing something, and also about taking an input from the user. Thank you. Goodbye. See you.